Managing sales compensation is a complex and essential process for businesses that rely on commission based incentives to drive revenue. Traditional methods like spreadsheets and manual calculations often result in errors, delayed payments, and disputes, negatively impacting sales performance and motivation. Xactly Incent is a advanced sales compensation management software that automates commission calculations, streamlines incentive structures, and enhances transparency for both sales teams and finance departments. With its real-time data tracking, AI-driven analytics, and seamless integrations, Xactly Incent helps organizations boost sales performance, ensure accurate payouts, and optimize compensation strategies with ease. In this video, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and reasons why Xactly Incent is the best solution for modern businesses looking to streamline sales compensation management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated commission calculations. Xactly Instant eliminates manual errors by automating the calculation of commissions, bonuses, accelerators, and multi-tiered incentive plans. The platform allows businesses to set predefined rules that ensure every commission is calculated accurately and fairly, without requiring human intervention. This reduces payroll errors, eliminates tedious manual work, and ensures sales reps receive timely and accurate payments, fostering trust and motivation within the team. Another key feature is the customizable compensation plans. Every company has unique sales goals, and Exactly Incent supports highly flexible incentive structures. Businesses can configure commission models based on quota attainment, revenue targets, product sales, profitability, or a mix of these metrics. Adjustments can be made dynamically, ensuring compensation plans stay aligned with evolving business strategies. This flexibility allows companies to create tailored incentive programs that drive the right sales behaviors, ultimately increasing revenue and performance. Another key feature is the real time earnings visibility. Sales reps often struggle with uncertainty regarding their commissions, leading to frustration and disengagement. Exactly Instant offers real time dashboards where sales reps can track their earnings, monitor their performance, and forecast potential payouts based on ongoing deals. By providing sales teams with instant access to their earnings, companies can boost motivation, reduce payout disputes, and foster a performance driven sales culture. Another key feature is the seamless integrations with business systems. Exactly Instant integrates with CRM such as Salesforce and HubSpot, also with ERP such as SAP, NetSuite, and Workday, and payroll software, ensuring that all sales and compensation data is accurate and up to date. This connectivity eliminates manual data entry and reduces administrative workload for finance and sales operations teams. The integration ensures smooth data flow across departments, reducing errors and saving time, while also enhancing reporting and decision making. Another key feature is the advanced analytics and performance insights. Exactly Instant provides AI powered analytics and custom reporting dashboards that allow businesses to monitor compensation trends, sales rep performance, and payout structures in real time. Leaders can use these insights to evaluate the effectiveness of their incentive programs and make data driven adjustments. Companies can identify top performing reps, optimize sales compensation strategies, and make smarter decisions that drive long term growth. Another key feature is the dispute resolution and audit trails. Commission disputes are common in sales organizations, often leading to delayed payments and demotivated reps. Exactly Incent provides automated dispute resolution workflows, allowing sales reps to raise concerns directly in the system, while finance teams can review, adjust, and approve changes seamlessly. By minimizing payout conflicts and offering a transparent resolution process, businesses can enhance trust between sales teams and finance departments, ensuring smooth operations. So, why is Exactly Instant a great choice? Exactly Instant is a leading sales compensation management solution that helps businesses streamline commission tracking, automate complex incentive structures, and provide real time earnings insights. Unlike outdated spreadsheets or rigid compensation tools, Exactly Instant leverages AI and automation to optimize incentive programs efficiently. So basically, Exactly Instant is a powerful sales compensation management tool that simplifies the calculation, tracking, and optimization of commission payouts. By leveraging automation, real time data visibility, and seamless integrations, businesses can eliminate payroll errors, reduce administrative burdens, and drive a performance based sales culture. So, if your organization is looking to improve commission accuracy, enhance transparency, and optimize incentive strategies, Exactly Instant is the perfect solution. So, start using Exactly Instant today and transform your sales compensation management in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.